Good morning from the snowy resort of Flaine. It is Wednesday the 21st of March. It is Wednesday the 21st of March 2018, and we are about to attempt the Cascades, which in Flaine is the longest ski run they have in Flaine. 14 kilometres, so wish us luck.
Il fait froid, il fait froid.
I don't have my poles. Little known fact, I'm a terrible skier, so I'm trying to teach myself to lean forward, so I have no poles. I'm not sure that's the best idea to do
today.
Well, we've got 14 kilometres of blue, so it should be right. Quick one over there.
Mont Blanc, that is.
Mont Blanc, this is.
Thanks, Bella. That's what it will always be known as.
I can't even see it. It's somewhere up there.
Like here somewhere.
Right here. I need to put my gloves on.
Can't see.
I'm going to lose a finger. Right.
Let's go.
We're going that way to the Cascades.
Apparently my phrase at work is let's get cracking.
Crack on. Right, let's go. Back at the chalet. How's the Cascades, Mummy?
Fantastic. It's like Narnia.
How long did it take us?
Well, we paused a lot and looked at the view, and it took us an hour and 20 minutes because we enjoyed it.
So what's that per kilometre? Let me see. Do we do 14 kilometres?
Yeah, so give me the phone a minute.
Right.
So how many kilometres was it?
10.5 kilometres per hour. So there we go, morning complete, lunch done, very nice lunch, ham and cheese croissant as normal. So as you saw there, we skied the Cascades, 14 kilometres, roughly an hour and 20 minutes. Stopped along the way to have a look at the view, which is very nice. A little bit slushy at the bottom, but apart from that, but more importantly, it appears Maria's skiing technique is probably better than mine now. But certainly doing the Cascades without poles, it wasn't too bad. I'm definitely working on my technique in that regard. I tend to ski like a 14-year-old boy, kind of like, yeah. But anyway, this afternoon, Maria's going to take the girls out to the nature reserve to play in the deep snow, and I'm going to take the snowboard out there to do a bit more playing in the snow. It's so peaceful up here. That's quite amazing. This view, we can actually see pretty much the entire Flaine resort. So you got Oak de Ryan down here, you got the main bubble, you go straight up to the top here. Also over here, you've got some of the blue slopes. Right, back to the snow. Look at that. Blue sky and it's snowing. That's got to be one of the coolest things I've ever seen. That's amazing. Sun, blue sky and snowing. That's amazing. This I like, Flaine. This I like. that'd be flattering light, but it's really not. Right, back at the chalet, safe and sound. Today's been a really good day actually. Skied in the morning, done the Cascades, 14 kilometres. Girls played in the snow. Daddy took the board out for the afternoon. So yeah, it's been good. And we're finishing the day with... We finish every good day with... What are we going to end the day with, Mummy?
Raclette.
And lasagna.
A raclette and lasagna.
Cheese from us!